Are you tired of stubborn belly fat? That extra weight can kill your confidence and drag you down. Introducing the 4PADS Pro Freeze Vacuum Belly Slimming Machine. This innovative device uses advanced fat-freezing technology to target your belly, arms, thighs, and back all at once. It's a non-invasive treatment. You won't experience surgery, pain, or downtime, just real results you can see. Here's how it works. Fat cells are frozen, broken down, and naturally flushed out by your body. You lose fat while gaining back confidence and energy. Why choose this machine? It delivers professional-grade fat reduction in the comfort of your home. Imagine a leaner, tighter shape that lasts. It's safe, effective, and designed for long-term success. Don't let stubborn fat control your life. Take charge of your health and body. Ready to make a change? Click the link in the description to buy now.